Hi folks, just a quick one, very quickly, what's inside the box? It's as simple as that. This is a diesel heater by Hcalory, I don't know how you pronounce it. Anyway, I've seen them advertised. I have got 4 diesel heaters already, so this makes it number 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus a broken one, so this is number 4 really. The way it's going at the moment with the prices of fuel, I thought, well, why not? And it looks such a good model that I thought, well, I'm going to use it up at the woods or wherever I want to. So I'm going to take it out, have a look and see what's in the box. And that's where we're up to at the moment, alright? It says it's for, what we got here? So diesel, SUV, new energy vehicles? Yeah, I suppose it's for anything. RV, tractors, trucks, transits, well, whatever. And indoors, which is correct. Right, I'm going to get a knife and we'll get out of the box. Knife or a screwdriver will do the same job. Okay, so first thing on the top, fuel tank with all the bits in, if you can see that. There we go, ready to put that in, so you have to put the tapping down the box in. And this fits to the side, or you can use any fuel tank that you wish if you don't want it added to this. Right, so next thing, big handle. Okay. Well, it has to come out like that. In the bottom of the box, a piece of polystyrene to make it sit nicely, so beautifully packed. Wow. So far so good. Looks nice, look. I think it's Hcalory. This is the Bluetooth one. So this dial is slightly different. You connect your phone to this. So I believe we'll go to this one. We're just looking what's in the box. So Bluetooth, remote control, yeah, on, off, memory, plus or minus. That's cool. I believe that everything is supposed to be, oh I see, it tells you which tanks you can fit as well, and the holes are pre-done. Oh, that's cool. Alright. It's supposed to be a waterproof case, I believe, or not too sure. Alright, here we go. Let's see if you can see this properly. I can't see what you're seeing. Okay. Let's go in a little bit. Alright. You might keep you up to scratch with that. Alright, so one very good smart manual. That's impressive. That is very impressive. That's good. So inside, this thing comes pre-done. So they come in 2 different models. That looks a bit dodgy. That's not right, is it? Look, there's a bit of a gap there, so I'll have a look at that. So you have your hoses. This is your main hot air hose coming out. Hold on. So we have this is your induction hose, which then puts your filter on the end, and that's for the inside of this combustion chamber. An exhaust. This is your hot air hose, a little bit creased, but hey ho, we'll see. This is the idea of an unboxing, isn't it? You've got, there's your induction filter. What else we got here? We've got a spare. Oh, that's your vent, which turns around on the end of your hot air hose. It looks like we have 2, is it 1? Oh, just a power lead with the built-in fuse. That's okay. We have fuel line and we have all your connections and your circlips and all the other levers you need. What else we got in here? And behind the back, hidden, is a silencer. I'm not happy about that. Let me have a quick look at that. I'm going to put you on. Well, I'm going to put you on pause, aren't I? It looks like it hasn't been fitted properly. Okay, let me have a quick look at this. Okay, so the first thing was this wasn't fitting properly. This edge here was not, so I pushed that in and it did go back in again. So that's one slight problem, not a problem to be solved, you can do that. Next one is, it looks like this is not, this casing's alright. So you can see the slight gap, which is fine, but also look, I'll show you that, watch. So I presume this one's tightening, so. And then the other thing is, let me just close the lid. And the third thing is, it's a bit crappy. Sorry, the third thing is this, look. Doesn't seem to fit properly. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look into that one because it seems very, doesn't fit in. Anyway, so we'll have a look. This is your fuel line in from your pump, from your tank, sorry, not from your pump. You've got a bracket to go on here, which then houses this and your inlet. This is your inlet, stop any big creatures coming in. And that's where we are. That's the unboxing so far. I've got a couple of mistakes. I'll have another look round properly and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so that's going to go forward a little bit, look. So I'm going to hold that. Oh, look at that. It's not even tight. I don't say over tighten it because you don't want to damage the case, but is that fitting better? It seems to be alright. God, it's annoying, isn't it, when you get things like that. So that's now nice and tight. I can't see anything else. I've just checked inside. So what you want to do is make sure that your exhaust ports and your inlet port is nice and tight. Because if you're going to use this inside, I know you've got to have the exhaust outside the building, okay? Everybody knows this is your exhaust here. So I'm just making sure that's nice and tight. That is tight. And they've used asbestos or something sort of material to protect it. And the little fuel line, not keen on that, but that's what they supply. It looks like it's been tested because there's fuel in the line. So far so good. So that's the fault. That was a fault. So that was off the case. So it's worth looking into. That's why you unbox them. And what else? We got that front thing. I'm gonna have a look at that now. So with the front, what I did with this, because it's a lot, well, it's not a lot better, but it's a bit. I actually tightened up these two screws. Whether they're just protruding a little bit, or it is a better fit. I could pop a little bit of glue behind that, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to leave any feedback until I have actually fired this up, so that'll be the next video. So I'm going to put all this and assemble it. I don't know if you want to see me assembling it. You probably do. I don't know. So like putting all the pipes on in a separate video, I shall do that as soon as this one's up. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing.